All right, so let's take a look at how we can make some arrays using this tile app and then take a picture of it and put it into our class factor slides. So first of all, we just did factors of 12, right? So I'm going to use my finger because it's a touch screen, right? Use my finger and I'm just going to go ahead and touch these tiles and drag them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, 6, 6. Come on, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now obviously they're not all matched up. But now what I can do is I can move them around like this. And I can find my set of, let's see, this looks like a good way to use my 12. There's one. That would be a 3 by 4. Maybe I'll use yellow this time. You don't have to keep them all the same. 2, 3. You can use your thumb and go real fast. 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so this one maybe I'll do a, let's see, 2 by 6 looks like it'll work. Sorry, you might see my fingers covering up the camera sometimes. So are there any other ways to make, let me grab about 12 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think the only other way to do it is just to make a 1 by 12 like this. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think I missed one. 12. How's that look? Okay. So that is my set of arrays with 12. Now I might want to check, bring out 12 more, play around with them a little bit, like just move them around on the screen, see if you can make a rectangle out of those 12 with no chunks missing. Then that means it's an array. That means that those numbers are factors of 12. So now that I've done that, I want to take a screenshot of this, okay? Normally your screenshot will not include a little picture of yourself down in the corner, so don't worry about that part. When you'll see it in my screenshot, but normally that won't be the case. To take a screenshot, there's a really simple way to do it on the Chromebook. You hold down Control down in the lower left corner, and then you push the weird little rectangle with 2 lines next to it above the number 6. So I'm going to do that right now. Control, rectangle with the 2 little lines. See, this pops up. It says screenshot taken. Now, I have an option right now to copy to clipboard. Oh, it went away. I wasn't fast enough. All right, I'm going to do it again. Ready? I'm going to quick click that thing that says copy to clipboard. So I'm going to do Control, and this I'm going to even smile for this. There you go. Copy to clipboard. Okay. Now it's copied on my clipboard. Let me show you what that means. Your clipboard is this imaginary thing that your computer is keeping track of, right? Now I'm going to go over to our Finding Factors slides, and I'm going to find slide number 12, because slide number 12 is where the number 12 belongs, right? And this should be something you're familiar with doing. You're just going to copy, or sorry, excuse me, you're going to do paste to put this in here. 2 ways to do that. You can either go to Edit and Paste, or you notice there's a shortcut here, Control V. Think of V as being like a little like arrow pointing down into what you're putting in, right? So Control V, and boom, there's my screenshot, okay? Now the last thing I need to do is I need to label this. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a couple little text boxes, right? I'm going to make a text box right on here, like that, that says 3 times 4 equals 12. Make one on here with a text box that says 2 by 6 equals 12. And I'll make one on here. One more text box. It says, oh man, that's not going to show up right there. 1 times 12 equals 12. Now, if it doesn't show up really well, you have 2 options. You can either move it so it's in the right spot, or if it's on something like that, you can change the color, make it something you can see. Okay. Yeah, maybe that's not even the best color because you can't really see that all that well. Anyway, you get the idea. So feel free to change the numbers. Oh, and the last thing, don't forget to make a big old one. Make a big old text box right here. I'm going to make the size way bigger. Boom, 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 boom. Just show that this is for the number 12. Hey, 12. 12. There we go. That's one maybe I'll really change to a different color. How about orange? I like orange. There, 12. Okay. And now the slide for 12 is all done, because when someone else clicks on that, they'll be able to see the different arrays for 12. They'll see that it's for slide 12. They won't see this goofy little picture of you in the corner. Don't worry. All right. Good luck.